Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this course. Here we will teach you the modern way to build your own SaaS or your own software without having any kind of technical expertise. So in earlier days we need to have a lot of coding, our technical background in order to create our own software or SaaS idea, but not anymore. By building pre-built features and no code tools, I will teach you how to go from absolutely nothing to bringing your own software idea to life. The days of coding for months and hard coding are behind us. Now, no code tools have democratized over software and SaaS. So, in this course, I am very excited to teach you how to do so. Whether you want to build your own SaaS or your own software agency, or maybe even to internal development of your tools, or maybe even sell off your own no code development service from tens of thousands per client, this course is just for you. This course is equipped with everything that you need to know in order to create tens of millions of dollars of your own service and or your own SaaS without writing a single line of code. In short, this course is basically no code course in which you will be equipped and you will develop the power on how to utilize this power of no code development tools in order to create and in order to generate your own ideas into life. Building software has never been easier to learn, and even completely non-technical person can pick it up and get it done in no time. Bubble.io and make.com are drag and drop tools that makes the entire process visual and free of any technical expertise. Want to start your own AI software? No problem. Just select the GPT-4 from make.com. As well as want to start your own marketplace just like eBay? Again, no problem. Use some of the pre-built templates that are available in bubble.io and you are good to go. And if you combine all of this with rapid APIs, you can virtually build any software ideas that you have. This year, I have launched my own AI software by using these AI templates, and our main goal was to bootstrap our application in a most cost efficient and in time efficient way. Through this process, we have discovered a brand new approach on how to leverage the power of no code to build our own SaaS or software agency. So if you want to learn about how to build your own SaaS or your own software in 2024 and in upcoming times, this course is just for you. Join the course right now and become a future dev today. Alright guys, welcome to this course, and you will ask this question, why take this course for me? Well, I am Manthan Patel. I am an expert Bubble developer and I have tons of knowledge in Bubble, and I have created dozens of applications by using these no-code tools of Bubble, make.com and rapid APIs.